Hi everybody, how you doing? It's Mother Ego here. I hope you're well. Oh, I wanted to say thank you for all my birthday wishes. Oh my goodness, there are so many. I can't respond to each one individually, but thank you. I've received them all, the phone calls, the text messages, the WhatsApp messages, the ones on Facebook. Thank you. I'm really grateful. Well, yeah, the next year is going to be amazing. I hope you keep that in stride. But one of the things that makes an amazing year, apart from the big divine plan and divine intervention and timing, is planning. So, in this daily inspiration, I wanted us to talk about planning for your next year. Because right now you have 2 months to figure out what do you want next year. What are the things you're going to take into next year, or things you're going to stop? Remember, we've talked about the 80-20 principle on this page, and the 80-20 principle basically just means take the 20% that is producing the most results and keep that and duplicate that and release everything else that is not producing results. This can be applied even in your closet. It can be applied in your business life. It can be applied in friendships. If you find that you hang out with only 5 people and yet you have so many acquaintances pulling on your energy, well, you can narrow your circle because you want to be more effective without getting drained as you plan. And as you're planning for next year, remember December. December is a heavy expenditure month because of the parties and the gifts and the celebration of Christmas. Actually, here we start all the way from Thanksgiving through the 1st of January. It's celebration, meaning your budget may be a bit stretched. So it's time to plan now, to start saving so that you're not caught off guard. If you're like me, you start buying gifts earlier. You start buying some essential things that you may need. For example, I'm going to be taking a trip back home to Uganda in the next few weeks, and obviously I have to plan for that trip heavily, you see. So planning is essential. The question is sometimes, how do I do a budget? Just get out a piece of paper. How much are you making? Make a column of how much you make a column of the things you spend on in the month, then see how much you remain with, or see what fits in what you have, because you don't want to stretch yourself so far and then you get to January and you're feeling financially drained. Also, I'm an author of Live Like a King Before You Go Broke. It's a good time to read the book. You can find it on Amazon or go to motherego.net and find it there. So, in today's inspiration 1, create a plan for next year. What do you want to see? You have the power to accomplish anything you want. Number 2, make sure you have a good plan for your holiday expenditure. You'll be happy if you don't go over budget during the holidays or get stressed because you under planned. Well, I hope that helps. As always, it's Mother Ego. I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.